304-grade stainless steel is also composed of no more than 0.8% carbon and at least 50% iron. The chromium binds oxygen to the surface of the product to protect the iron from oxidation, rust. Nickel also enhances the corrosion resistance of stainless steel. Therefore, the higher the nickel content, the more resistant the stainless steel is to corrosion. When it comes to flatware, people often assume that 18/10 is heavier in weight. Actually, there is no difference between 18/8 and 18/10 flatware when it comes to weight. The additional nickel in 18/10 flakeware makes it a bit sturdier, meaning the tines of a fork are slightly more difficult to bend back and forth. The additional nickel also lends itself to a shinier surface. Stainless steel is a great alternative to Teflon-coated aluminum cookware. However, on the stove or cooktop, stainless steel alone doesn't provide optimal heating, which is why pots and pans are generally made of tri-ply construction. In the case of a stainless steel frying pan, an aluminum core is sandwiched between two layers of 18/10 stainless steel, allowing heat to distribute evenly across the pan. In these pans, the aluminum does not react or come into contact with food at all. Stainless steel is one of the most common materials found in kitchens today. It is used in everything from appliances to cookware, dishware, flatware, and utensils because it is durable, easy to sanitize, and corrosion-resistant to various acids found in meats, milk, fruits, and vegetables. Most importantly, though, stainless steel is a safe option when it comes to use with food and beverage, as there are no chemicals that can migrate into your food from these products. We believe that stainless steel, glass, cast iron, wood, ceramics, with lead-free glaze and bamboo are the safest materials to use in the kitchen. Mighty Nest offers a wide variety of stainless steel products including 18/8 water bottles, bowls, food storage containers and dishware, as well as 18/10 pots and pans, bakeware, wine glasses, and kids' utensils. A well-equipped kitchen is a mix of trendy appliances and edgy cookware, and when we talk about cookware, it is a wide range from non-stick ones to induction and many more, but one type that has been a mainstay in every kitchen is stainless steel cookware. Stainless steel cookware is not only a must-have for every kitchen, but also easy to clean and mostly rust-proof. If you are looking to add some durable and reliable cookware to your kitchen, then stainless steel cookware is the best choice. With new designs and features, you have a wide range to choose from. To help you out with it, we have curated a list of the best stainless steel cookware for your kitchen. This summer, give a chic upgrade to your kitchen with this stylish cookware. Thanks for watching. Until next time.